Welcome to Kitchen Science, where we get to explore the wonders of science right in our own kitchen. If you think science can only happen in a laboratory, think again. There are plenty of scientific experiments and principles we can discover using simple kitchen items. So put on your aprons and let's get started. The magic of yeast. Make fluffy bread. One fascinating experiment you can try is making your own bread. For this, you'll need some flour, sugar, salt, water, and one special ingredient: yeast. Yeast is a tiny organism that we can't see with our eyes alone, but it plays a huge role in making bread rise. When you mix yeast with water and a little sugar, the yeast eats the sugar and creates carbon dioxide gas. This gas forms bubbles which get trapped in the dough, making it rise and become fluffy. Turn milk into curds and whey. Another fun project involves turning milk into curds and whey, just like Little Miss Muffet's snack. You'll need milk, preferably whole milk, lemon juice, and a bit of patience. When you heat milk and add some lemon juice, something magical happens. The acid from the lemon juice causes the milk proteins to separate into solid curds and liquid whey. This is an example of a chemical reaction and is the first step in making cheese. Exploding volcano with baking soda and vinegar. One of the most exciting experiments is creating a mini volcano with baking soda and vinegar. All you need is some baking soda, vinegar, and a container that can hold your volcano. When you mix baking soda base with vinegar and acid, they react to produce carbon dioxide gas. This creates lots of fizzing and bubbling, and if you shape your container like a volcano, it looks like an eruption. The power of water. Make a rainbow. You can create a rainbow using only some water and light. Fill a clear glass with water, then place it in sunshine near a wall. Put a piece of white paper in the path of the light where the sun shines through the glass. You should see a rainbow of colors reflecting on the paper. This happens because light is made up of different colors, and when it passes through the water, it gets bent or refracted, splitting into a spectrum of colors we call a rainbow. Kitchen candy science. Make rock candy. If you have a sweet tooth, making rock candy is an experiment that you might love. You will need sugar, water, a few drops of food coloring, and a stick or piece of string. Boil water and mix in plenty of sugar until it dissolves, then add a bit of food coloring for fun. Pour this mixture into a jar and hang your stick or string so that it does not touch the sides. As the water cools, sugar will start to form crystals on the stick, showing you how sugar molecules join to create rock candy. These experiments are a great way to learn about the states of matter, chemical reactions, and even physics, all while having fun in the kitchen. Remember, always have an adult help you, especially with the heating parts of these experiments.